Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to approve a sign-in request on the Microsoft Authenticator app. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your iPhone. Now, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Here, choose the type of account you want to add, personal account, work or school account, or tap on other to continue with services like Google or Facebook. Next, your account provider will display a QR code. Use the camera in the app to scan it. If you don't have a QR code, you can also tap enter code manually. Now, enter the account name and the secret key given by provider. Then tap on finish. Once the account is added, you will see 6-digit code generated for it. This is your one-time password, copy or note it. Now, go to the website or app that requested authentication. Paste or enter the code where required. If you receive the sign-in request notification, simply tap approve in the Authenticator app. Then, go back and check your Gmail inbox if further confirmation is needed. Tap on the verification email if provided. Now, go back to Microsoft Authenticator app, tap the 3 lines in the top left corner. Here, tap on settings and then review or complete device registration if asked. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.